Find or read reviews that people are talking about AIYONFEI 12V car battery charger 8A. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. All-in-one charging solution for nearly every 12V battery. This 12V battery charger is universally compatible with lead-acid, AGM, GEL, EFB, VRLA, and even lithium iron phosphate batteries. It automatically detects battery type and condition, functioning as a fast 8A battery charger, a full-time battery maintainer, and a trickle charger to keep your car, truck, motorcycle, or boat ready to go. Revive and extend battery life with repair mode. Equipped with an advanced battery desulfator and pulse repair function, this car battery charger can help recover old, sulfated, or idle batteries that won't hold a charge. It works to extend your battery's overall lifespan, saving you money and preventing unexpected failures. Set and forget smart charging with full protection. Fully automatic and worry-free. After a fast bulk charge, it switches to absorption and then a float/maintenance mode to prevent overcharging. Trickle charger features winter and summer temperature compensation modes to adjust charging for optimal battery health in any climate. Built-in protections include reverse polarity, spark-proof, short circuit, and overcharge protection for complete safety. Clear LCD display for real-time monitoring. Stay informed with a backlit LCD screen that shows real-time charging data, including voltage, current, charge percentage, battery status, and selected mode. Battery tender easily monitor the charging progress and verify your battery's health at a glance. Easy plug-and-play operation for everyone. Battery charger designed for simplicity. Just connect the clamps to your battery, plug into a standard wall outlet, 110 to 230 volt input, and let the charger do the rest. No complicated settings required. The compact design makes it easy to store in a garage or car. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.